Hi, Amy. Wanted to make you a quick video, do a little bit of website analysis on your website and give you some quick tips on how you can significantly increase your Google rankings for your business and bring in some more customers. So I'm on your homepage right now, Concrete Custom Experts LLC, and just to go back here real quick so you get some perspective, I did a search for concrete contractors, Colorado Springs. Now, what you got to understand is, when someone searches in Google, it's very specific in terms of what they're searching for. So if someone was to search, concrete contractors just by itself without Colorado Springs, or concrete contractors near me, or there's a million different ways that people search. It's going to change these results, but concrete contractors should be a pretty generic search that people are looking for your company. And if you'll notice here, you show up about the middle of page 2 when it comes to concrete companies, which is okay until you realize that about 70 to 80% of people, when they search on Google, don't get past page 1. And it's about 60% that don't get past the first top 3 searches. So when you search concrete contractors Colorado Springs, what you'll find is you'll find the paid ads up top, and these are basically companies who are paying to be on the front page. Interestingly enough, between 70 and 80% of people don't click on paid ads. They do get business this way, but the majority of people will go right to what we call the organic search results, and that is the ones that are not paid for. So what you get is you get the top 3 in what we call the map pack. And one of the reasons why I'm making this quick video for you, and we're looking for a concrete company to work for, is the top 2 of the 3 top searches don't even have websites, which is mind-boggling to me in a town, in a city this size, which tells me there's an opportunity here to get in this top 3. And then we go into the organic searches. And so I'm going to go back to your website real quick, which is on the middle of page 2. And if we just click on this here again, sorry, let me just find it. Concrete Experts LLC. All right, so a couple things I want to just share with you really quick. The first and foremost reason why websites rank locally on Google is content, and specifically authoritative content. And what I mean by that is you need to have at least 1,000 words on your homepage of content that organically expresses exactly what it is your company does. And there's a very specific strategy to this, even how it's laid out. So you can see you've got maybe at most 100 words. So that would need to significantly change. What I want to show you here too is a quick tool which shows me how your website is set up in terms of the title and the description. And there's no keywords here. Headers are the first things that Google reads about your website to determine how to determine if someone's searching, in this particular case, concrete contractors, if it's going to show up for that. You can see that none of those have been done. And so we have a lot of things that we can do here to not only increase your ranking, but honestly, we could put this in the top 3. The other real quick tip I want to share with you is what's called citations. And what a citation is it's another website that's linking to your website. And the more citations you have, the more Google says, okay, this is a website that has value because it's connected to other websites that we know have value. And this is a very important strategy in increasing your ranking. Now, I know that you guys do a lot of commercial work, but I also notice that in your services you do quite a bit of residential, and I think that there is an opportunity here. You guys do stamped and colored, concrete stained, sealing, epoxy coating. All those things need to be, in terms of keywords, built in. Let's say instead of someone's searching concrete contractors, they're actually searching stamped concrete, and you'd be amazed at the way people search. But there is a way to get Concrete Experts LLC on the front page of every one of these searches. And I think you can imagine what that would do to your business. So if you're looking to increase your business, this is a couple, just really the tip of the iceberg. But I'd love to talk with you more about this because obviously you guys have a great reputation. You've been around a long time, but with a much better web presence, your business would grow substantially this year. All right, Amy, appreciate the time, and I hope to talk with you soon.